Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark, and I'm glad you're with me today because we will be drawing Bullet Bill. Now, all you need for this project is a sheet of blank paper, some gray markers, and a black Sharpie. Please smash that like button right now and click the notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. We'll start off with the top portion of Bullet Bill. So we'll start on the left side of the page. And we're going to try to make 2 points in the center of our page here, like this. So we're going to come from this side here, we're going to come up over to this center point here. And let's try not to make a super pointy end point. But from here, this will start coming down. And then we're going to want to end, we'll try to do this same shape on this side over here. So we're going to come down. And then we're going to end like that. Now it's okay if it's a little bit off, like mine is, that's not a problem. Then on the left, we'll draw a straight line down. Something right about here. And then we'll do the same on this side. We'll come straight down. And we'll try to end the same position. Then we'll join these with a slight curve to it. It won't be a straight line, but it'll be a slight curve like that. Then we'll go inside of this shape and we'll do a small vertical line on both sides. Just like that. Then what we'll do is we'll follow this curve and we'll do another one right below like this. And we'll join those 2 points together. Starting over here on the left, we'll do a slight angle. And we're going to stop with this edge right here, this line there. Okay, because this line will come straight down like that. So we'll do the same on the right. We'll come over and we'll stop right here because this will come down. Then we can take this position, this point and that point, following this curve, and we'll join those together. And then we'll extend this maybe a little bit longer. And I'll make another curve similar to this one. And we'll just join those two bottom lines like that. All right, so we have our outer shape of the bullet. Now we'll draw the eye. So come over here to the right side of the bullet shape and we're going to do a curve from here down like that, right in that corner. Then we're going to create a circular shape, but this is going to start rounding and then it's going to be flat at the base. So you're going to start rounding like this and then it's going to kind of go flat almost. Then we can have the eyeball. So we'll do a shape like this that just kind of runs right into this top of the eyelid there. And then we'll do a little highlight like that. Now I'll just go, since I'm here, I'm going to go with my Sharpie and fill in this small circular shape. Now we're going to do a fist with an arm over here. So in the center of our bullet, if you draw an imaginary line down, okay, we're going to have this circular shape right here. But we're not going to complete the circle. So let's try our best and we're going to draw a backwards C shape like this. Draw a little line to the left, just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to draw a line that kind of comes up like this. Okay, then from the lower section here, we're going to come out like this, and this will be the elbow, and we're going to bend, and then we're going to go over to the left slightly like that. So this is his forearm, this is his like upper arm shape here. Then what we can do is we're going to complete a ring around this circular shape. So we're going to offset about this much and just create this circular shape all the way around like that. Come back to this point here and we're going to come over to the left. And then over here, we're going to come over to the right like that. That's going to be the thumb, and it's going to be the small pinky. Okay, then we'll come up from here. So we're going to come up slightly like that. And then we're going to have 3 knuckle bumps right here. So we're going to just draw 1. And then we're going to come up from this side and draw another one. And we want these to be evenly spaced out if you can. Okay, and then we're just going to round this and just come back like that. So we're going to have 3 little knuckle shapes right there. And that completes our drawing of Bullet Bill. I have a bunch of grays. So I'm going to start with a 20%, I have a 50%, 70, 80, 90, and then a black. I may not use the black, but I might just use a little bit of it. But I'm going to try to blend these grays from the lighter gray to the darker gray. So I'm going to start coloring Bullet Bill in. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing Bullet Bill with me today. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel right there. Then you can check out all of these cool videos right here on the left anytime because I do videos every weekday. And until that next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.